Kia ora te whānau, welcome to video 5 of building an app with Thunkable. We have two things to do today. First is a little bit of bug fixing. I have solved the bug. Second is the about page, which we're actually not going to do. You're going to do that. And the third thing is to discuss how to make this more awesome, how to take it and actually build on what I've shown you today. So first thing is the bug fixing. I have found the bug and it is very, very simple. If we come back to our data source, so again, we're here on the design page, go to data, our data source. We want this button here. We want it to be it's normally a stored data source by default. But we actually want it to be an app data source. A stored data source will persist forever. You can write to it, you can read from it. It's very, very useful. An app data source will get cleared every session. So every time you open the app, everything that you've done last time has been cleared out. But previously, if you go to stored data source, you can save things across sessions. You can log things. You can have a persistent memory of the user's experience. Very useful, but we don't need it today. We want an app data source. And that will fix up that bug we were having with the timeline. Okay, next thing, the app page. I've shown you how to build out 3 pages. Sorry, the about page. I've shown you how to build out 3 pages. Can you figure out how to make up the about page? It needs to have an about you section, who you are, who you built it, what you're building it for. It needs to have a section on your references, and it needs to have a section that credits any images that you have, any text that you have, all of that needs to be in there as well. Good luck. Lastly, how could you make this more awesome? We've only just touched the surface of what this program is able to do. You can find tutorials if you go back to the Thunkable main page. Whoa, not that one. If you go back to the Thunkable main page, you can find all sorts of tutorials on how to log people in, how to actually get them to sign on with Google. What could you use that for? I don't know. If you go back to the design and take a look at all of these components, you can see all sorts of abilities that we have in here. Embedding things, we've got web viewers, we've got a map, canvas, we've got a PDF, a rating system. What could you do that for? If you go to the blocks, look at all of these app features. You've got speech. Could you read some of that text out? You've got sound, absolutely. Could you play some text? Could you add a video on, right? Could you embed, rather than having text in there, could you have recorded a video and be playing that instead? Could you have made an animation instead, even if that's just put on YouTube and shown through your app? Could you use the camera somehow? Get users to upload a photo of something, not sure what, but that's for you to figure out. Extra files, get them to load files on. Again, we've talked about signing in. What about the location? Could you get the users to check in at the locations that you're talking about? Hey, I'm now in Rangiofia. Great. Upload a photo of what it looks like right now. In-app purchases? I don't know. Maybe you're going to monetize this somehow or sell something through this. That's up for you to figure out and show. Alerts, timers, sensors. Oh my gosh, what is under alerts? Please tell me. Don't know. Sensors. Oh my gosh. There's timers in here. What for? You're doing a quiz and you want to, and you're going to run out of time. Maybe after each section there's a question on it that you need to answer. Or for sensors, gyroscope, magnetometer, accelerometer, location sensor. No idea what you would use those for. That is up for you to figure out and plan out. You have a whole extra page that you could use to make this awesome in one way. Can you make this more awesome in a single way? You could even put ads on there. Look at that. That's there as well. Okay, that's it. That is our app complete. We are now able to come into our title page. We now have this all built out nicely. Each of those loads up a title, an image, and the text, and we can move forwards and back, and we don't run off the end if we go too far. That's it. That's what I want to show. That is the really, really basic app fleshed out here on Thunkable. That's it. Ka kite. See you in the next tutorial. Apart from that, good luck making it more awesome. Ka kite.